Lion. You want to see the lion? Tiger, come on. Bear? You see the bear?
Let's go. Let's go. Say, hey. Say lions, tigers, and bears.
Oh, how cliche.
Say, oh my. Now, don't tell a child to say cliche. Say, oh my.
Lion and tigers and bears.
Oh my. When we go to Texas, then you could take him and Emerald to the San Antonio Zoo.
No such thing. I already told you I'm going to Texas.
Right.
TJ, look at the lion.
What is? There's a lion stepping on a serpent. What is that?
That's the lion. Well, come on, let's go see the real animals. Look at the dogs. Look at the dogs. Look at the dogs. Oh, how beautiful. Hey, hey. Yeah, it's not a puppy.
Puppy. He's like 4 times your size. Brittany used to be, you see how he just goes, like, you see how his eyes lit up when he goes puppy? That's how Brittany was. She saw a dog, her eyes would light up.
Come on. This way. Here we are at the zoo. At the zoo.
Where are you, TJ? You were at the zoo.
We're at the zoo.
Don't scare anybody.
I'm not really dinosaur.
You like that? TJ's gonna want to be a dinosaur. Say, I'm TJ.
Hi, TJ. You want to wear this?
TJ, you have to give it back.
Okay, you have to give it back, TJ.
Yeah.
Give it back. Say, yeah.
Yes, look. You want to put it on Logan? Okay. Nice, thank you, Logan.
Say, Logan, thank
Say
you.
bye.
Have fun at the zoo.
Say bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye, thanks.
Come on, TJ.
No,
No,
you
you
can't
can't.
come
You have your own ride. Look, look.
Look, come, get
There's
in
your
the
ride. You want to get in your ride?
You want to ride? No, and on your stroller. He's like, ride? That's a ride. He goes, my stroller.
All right.
Let's just